Book of Heaven, Volume 11, March 21st, 1914. The irresistible need of Jesus to make known to the soul how he loves her and all the gifts with which he keeps filling her. Jesus continues,
My daughter, I love one who does my will so much that I cannot manifest to her everything, or everything at once, of how much I love her, the grace with which I keep enriching her, the beauty with which I keep embellishing her, and all the goods with which I keep filling her. If I manifested to her everything together, the soul would die of joy, her heart would burst in such a way that she could no longer live on earth, but, in a flash, would take flight toward heaven. However, I feel an irresistible need to make myself known, as well as the love I have for her. It is too hard to love, to do good, without making oneself known. I feel my heart as though crack, and unable to resist so much love, I keep manifesting to her, little by little, how I love her and all the gifts with which I keep filling her. And when the soul feels filled to the brim, to the point of no longer being able to contain them, in one of these manifestations of mine she will disappear from the earth, and will emerge within the bosom of the Eternal One.
And I, Jesus, my life, it seems to me that you exaggerate a little bit in manifesting to me where a soul who does your will can reach. And Jesus, compassionating my ignorance, smiling, told me,
No, my beloved, I do not exaggerate. One who exaggerates seems to want to deceive, but your Jesus knows not how to deceive you. On the contrary, what I have told you is nothing. You will receive more surprises when once the prison of your body is broken and you are swimming inside my bosom. The point that my will made you reach will be openly revealed to you.